Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand with you how to customize trading bots, specifically futures trading bot. We will make several of them, customize them. I will show you all the settings step by step. And after that, in this very same video, then I will add on the montage. We will see the results that our bots, because there will be several of them, showed us. So, first of all, to enter the bot, you have to go to the Trade tab. Trade bot. Here we see 4 types of bots, namely the Futures Grid Bot, Futures Martingale, Spot Grid Bot, or DCA Bot. Specifically in this video, we will talk about the Futures Grid Bot, but we will mention in passing what the others are for. A DCA bot is an auto investment bot that will automatically buy your crypto of choice for your USDT at certain intervals. Spot Grid Bot is the most common bot that trades on the spot, buys cheaper, sells more expensive, and Futures Martingale is different from Futures regular bot that there. In case the trade goes bad, it opens a trade for twice the amount. Thus, it can very quickly turn your balance and you can very quickly recoup what you lose. But at the same time, if there is a prolonged downtrend, you risk losing all your money. That is why I do not recommend using this bot. It is better to use a regular Futures Grid Bot. Enter the Futures Grid Bot. By default, we have AI strategy open on the bot in Bitcoin. There are 3 types of strategies: neutral strategy, long strategy, and short strategy. In long strategy, the bot buys cheaper and sells more expensive. In the short strategy, it buys at the current price, sells at the current price, and then rebuys the crypto when it is attacked. Not actually crypto, because a futures bot rebuys a futures contract, and thus capitalizes on the fall of the crypto. And the neutral strategy will trade both in plus and in minus turns out on any market fluctuations. Now we have flat, now sideways. So the best solution will be to use the bot on the neutral strategy. So on the left side, you can choose some pre-installed bot, or you can click on the manual configuration. And after that, I suggest to do what? To click on the button Smart Fill. So we will fill the settings with the help of AI strategy, which is recommended to us by the exchange itself. And here we will adjust it to ourselves on what it is worth to pay attention to. Price range can in principle not be touched. Is the price at which the bot will work. The number of grids is the number of simultaneous orders to buy, sell. Leverage, shoulders, is the multiplayer with which you will register the bot. I advise you not to use them because things can happen. If you're using a coin like XRP, which is not volatile at all, it's better not to use leverage, at least in bots, where everything is done by a machine in automatic mode, and if there is some mistake, you can suffer a lot because of it. So basically, from the standard settings, I remove leverage and then set the number of grids at the same time so that the income per... So we don't take too much risk and every trade is felt. That is, we will go into the bot and see a healthy plus 1% of my investment. I always try to do that. I think this is the perfect balance, so we set the number of grids a little bit smaller to get 1%. Then enter the investment amount and click Create Now. The Bitcoin bot is basically the biggest growth I'm expecting right now. Bitcoin is on a roll, so to speak. There are times when, even in Bitcoin, the volatility is not too high. Not a lot of people are trading. Bitcoin is in a growth phase. Everybody's interested in Bitcoin, so a Bitcoin bot has to be the most interesting. Also an Ethereum bot, with exactly the same settings. So I'll copy the strategy, I'll take neutral, set the number of grids to be about a 1% return on them. And I'm gonna take the leverage off the amount. Open, let's go to $500. So let's have another bot. Some more of that. Interesting coin. Ethereum and Bitcoin are 2 fundamental coins, although I personally advise only to use them. But I remember I had a bot for Solana. It was pretty good, so let's take Solana. Let's open a deal for a slightly smaller number. I first thought of leveraging it, but I will refrain. The same thing, copy it. Reduce the number of grids, put the leverage in one, and turn on the bot, so after 2 days we see that our bots showed, respectively, the bot on Bitcoin gave the most interesting results, plus 3%. It is plus $20, the most tasty, which is to be expected, because the Bitcoin bots, the most usually profitable. You can basically, in this bot, to familiarize yourself with its settings, with the history of trading and so on, and you can, by clicking on the button, invest more money in it, add a little bit. Since it has shown itself well, you can increase the amount of money in it by 100. Accordingly, the bot on Solana turned out to be the most uninteresting. It made only 4 deals. Respectively, you need to either change the range, make it wider from 1%, to increase the number of grids, or just close it, which I will do because I am not satisfied with the value here, and the Ethereum bot in principle can show itself quite well. We just need to add a little bit of coins, just like the Bitcoin bot. So we add here, and in principle. We realize that even using the most standard Bybit values, bots can bring good money if you do the right setting, well as the right, a little editing and adjusting the setting, which offers the exchange itself. So be sure to use it. It's a good topic. Just for watching, subscribe to the channel, put likes, see you in the next videos. Bye.